would you retrieve a city's name from column K based on its corresponding number in column J? You should use Xlookup. If I want the city corresponding to the number in the cell O2 appear in cell P2, I'm going to select cell P2 and type Xlookup, open brackets, O2, semicolon. Select the range of numbers where I want the number in O2 to be looked up. Press F4 to lock the selection, semicolon. Select the range of cities I want returned. F4 again, close brackets. As the cell O2 is populated with number 10, the formula will return Barcelona, as it's the city corresponding to number 10. So, by changing the number in cell O2, the formula will return a different city. For example, if I type 5, it will return Rome. If I type 7, it will return Frankfurt. The formula will work the same way horizontally. Have a look.